2022, right? Is it just me or are the years passing by like really, really fast? It's actually a surprisingly beautiful day out for a ride. Temperature is really nice. It's like a little chilly, but it's also sunny, so it evens out. Whoa. What the hell happened there? I've never heard like the Acura kind of from the outside like I am right now. So far this piece looks like it's staying in place. The dash carbon cover. I think I should have used a little bit more 3M tape on it though. That super leggera looks really special on the road. It's so like different than like the V4S, the V4R, the new V4s. They all look somewhat similar, but this one, the more you look at it, the more you notice like more differences. Oh, I see a lot of bikes over there. We're gonna see some reactions. Actually, it's not as packed as it looked like. Beautiful trio. Casual S1000 over here. That was a fun little cruise. I haven't rode that V4 in a minute. I need me some carbon wheels to match these guys though. That'll be sick. Sadly, there's not that many sport bikes here besides us. Ooh, I like the glossy wings. How you doing? All the different ducks. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Probably I'll end this video here. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Sorry that my energy is kind of low. I'm honestly like exhausted. I shouldn't go out to ride, but I couldn't miss this beautiful trio. Those three bikes look too good and really didn't want to miss this. It's a good start for 2022. Hopefully there's gonna be more videos with those three bikes. We're planning also a dyno day for all three. As soon as I got my exhaust tune and all that done, we want to dyno all three bikes. That'll be really cool and interesting. So we'll see how that's gonna go. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, ride safe, and never give up. Later, guys.